stages when starting a sandwich van business is to research the area you plan to serve. You need to check both your customers and your existing competitors. Competitors are not to be feared. They prove there is a market for your service in the chosen area. Competitors come in 3 types: other sandwich vans, shops, and takeaways. Your direct competitor will be other vans. The internet, and specifically Google, is a great way to research your competitors. Search on Google Maps using keywords such as sandwich shops, food shops, and supermarkets to find competitors in an area. Then look in the same Google Map for businesses, warehouses, workshop units, and offices that you could serve. Using this information, you can then plan out the route for your sandwich van. You can use the list of companies from Google Maps to get the contact details and ring them up to see A, if they have an existing sandwich van visiting, and B, if they would be interested in your sandwich van visiting.